Hey, Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. So I found me a seeded watermelon at Kroger. They may have one at your local grocery store if you don't have a Kroger near you. But if you live in a state that has Kroger, you might get lucky and get you a seeded watermelon. And this should be a good one because it is a little light part right here. So let's go ahead and cut her open. I'm not gonna... Let's see, how do I want to do this? I wish I knew how to do those fancy decorations that we see in the hack videos. Oh, yes! Baby! Honey, I'm excited. I'm gonna get my big bowl. And cut her up. And let's go ahead and give her a little taste test, honey. Watermelon is a good diuretic. It helps get your bowels moving. You should just eat watermelon all day. It has enough water. You don't even have to drink water because it's watery fruit. Yes, I picked a good one. I love it. Yes. So, if you haven't had watermelon yet, get you some before the summer's over. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.